already know what we're gonna do. We already here, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna try Dominican Cafe, yo. Café Santo Domingo. So estamos entrando. We are entering Santo Domingo Cafe. Very nice. From Dominican Republic. So you already know I'm here in Café Santo Domingo. So this is a place where they sell authentic coffee. Coffee directly from Santo Domingo. So the coffee is being served. Let's go. Amazing.
¿Es de caramelo?
Wow.
Dulce de leche.
Espérate, el de caramelo es
Beautiful. I just got my Café Santo Domingo. You already know.
Que lo disfruten.
Gracias. Café Santo Domingo.
This is frappuccino.
This is frappuccino dulce de leche. You already know.
This is cappuccino. Caramel.
You already know. I just got my Café Santo Domingo.
Very nice.
So I'm going to quickly describe this coffee based on my flavor. It's bold. It's bold. It's bold and strong. It's like a caffeinated punch. And uniquely, it's very cultural and tasteful. Yummy. Wow. Wow, este café está buenísimo. It's good.
No se dice está bueno, se dice está rico.
Está rico. Qué rico.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro, digo.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro, the best of Santo Domingo.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro. So you already know. Woo. So you already know we just came out of Café Santo Domingo. If you come to Dominican Republic, you already know, especially Santo Domingo, you need to come to San Bill, one of the biggest malls in the capital. And also get yourself a nice Café Santo Domingo. Try authentic Dominican coffee. Woo.